Now we're going to season up the bottom rounds with some steak seasoning. It's a light coat because we don't want any of this to burn over the fire. Do it on all sides and it'll help build a crust and give it some good texture and flavor with each slice. Next, off to the fire. We got our good fire going here. And we're going to do our temperature check. Remember, about 4 inches above 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi. So we're at about 4 Mississippi. I could have probably kept it there one more second. So we're probably at about 350 degrees, 300 to 350. And that to me is a perfect temperature for searing our beef. And here we go. We're going to start with fat side down. Oh, nice little sizzle there. Same with this one. And we're going to go on there. And the goal here is not to cook it all the way through. And the goal is to get a good crust. And then what we do is we slice it thin, just like we do in Baltimore. And then we dip it in some hot au jus. And that'll finish cooking for anybody that wants it done a little bit more. So this process will take probably about 20 to 30 minutes. Baltimore pit beef. Gut smokehouse style. You can hear that fat sizzling. So some of that fat is dripping down. It's starting to smell really good. Let's take a quick look. Oh, there we go. There starts the crust. See what this one looks like? All right. Let that go for a few more minutes on that side and start our rotation. Let's do our first rotation here. We take this one, take it on its side. Likewise with this one. Its side. Oh, look at that. Yeah, baby. And if we need to, we can move the beef over here if we're getting too much flame thrown up and to slow down the cooking. But right now, that's exactly what we want. Nice char, incredible smell, build a good crust, lots of flavor. Let's give it another rotation, see what it looks like here. Oh yeah, coming along beautifully. Look at that. Oh yeah. Oh wow. Oh wow. Put it back. Let's do another rotation. Oh man. That's nice. Oh yeah, that's nice. Yeah. Once you get a nice hot bed of coals, it's very easy to maintain that. You can just throw some small chunks of lump hardwood charcoal in. They catch pretty quick. We've got a log in the front there. That's also helping provide some flavor and some smoke and some heat. But yeah, it's pretty beautiful. Time to make another turn. See what it's looking like here. Whoa. Yeah, that's incredible. Oh man. Baltimore pit beef. Do a temp check here and just see what we're talking about. Well, we're at 85. Oh, that's good. Good number. 75 over there. So we got the fat side down right now, and that should kick up a few more flames. And then what they do in Baltimore, they trim the fat away actually, and then they kind of set it on top of the grate to generate more flames and dripping to add to the flavor of the beef. And then they sear that side that they just shaved the fat from. This definitely is dripping, creating some beautiful flames here, kissing the beef. We're gonna do it one more rotation. Let's do another temp check while we're here. As soon as we get a sear on that side, we're gonna slice off that fat. I'm probably just gonna toss it in the fire, and then we'll finish searing. With beef, we're gonna shave off the fat as best we can. Yep, there it is. Just plop it back on. There we go. Nice. 110. That is nice. We're pulling this guy off. All right, I'm going to show you a little something here that you can do, but only if you're using real wood, like logs, or lump hardwood charcoal. You can't do this with briquettes, but you can actually take this, so we get a good sear on that side, and we can go right down in the coals, right like that. Let that sear up. Again, you try to do that with briquettes, you're going to get all the ash all over. But this here, this is a cooking method, and one of the videos that we do actually shows how to cook directly on the coals. There you go, look at that. All right, let's pull it off. Gorgeous. There they are. Let's see how we're looking here. All right, well, that's looking pretty incredible. Now, the one thing I'm going to look for here is, all right, see, in this part of the bottom round, you've got the grain running this way. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to slice it against that grain, and then that's the way we're going to do it on the slicer. So, all right, so let's see what our Baltimore pit beef, oh, look at that. Oh, I think Chaps would be proud. I do. I think Chaps would be proud. Oh, yeah. Let's check out the slicing scene here. Let's crank it on. Got it set to the thinnest possible. So again, there's our beautiful, beautiful Baltimore pit beef. Time to assemble our Baltimore pit beef sandwich. We've got some very fresh Kaiser rolls here. Let's give it a, oh wow, these things are, holy mackerel. I can barely cut through without squishing it. It's like a marshmallow. We've got our pit beef. We're gonna dip it in the au jus. Wow. Load it on. Oh man. Oh man, okay. Yeah, this is looking pretty good. Oh man. A little horseradish mayo. And there you have it. Baltimore pit beef.